Namere. Sa mida, namurini. For Toki shopping, Rinilin. For buy school supplies. Thank you for 2,000 for my mom
for buy school supply.
Okay.
Thank you for your subscriber, the sponsor.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. For your subscriber.
Okay. Okay. Thank you all Korean subscribers and sponsor for giving me 2,000 for buy school supplies to my 2 kids. Thank you so much.